Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove lag from RPCS3 Emulator. So first of all, you have to make sure the requirements required for RPCS3 it's available on your PC, the device you are using. So you can go to the browser and search for it. So if you meet the desired requirement and still facing the issue, there can be some other option or other problem. So let's see what the problem is. Okay, then open the task manager, then see what thing is or what application is using your memory, CPU or GPU. So if you see any other application is using more CPU, memory or any other thing like GPU, just simply unbox it. So as you can see in my case, Google is using my memory more, my class as well. So you can see my other class is using some memory. So I can just unbox because I don't need this one right now. So then press Windows plus R, write this percentage, press OK, delete all the files. Open the cache files, which on that your PC will become slow. So you can see I have already 1.5 GB of cache file, so I'm gonna delete it. Okay, all the files have been deleted. Then press again Windows plus R and then write only 10, then press OK. Do the same, delete all the files. Okay, then press again Windows plus R, then search for prefetch RPCS and then press OK. Press continue. Do same, Control A, delete. Okay, so delete it from the recycle bin as well. Now wait until the file are deleted. Now press Windows Ctrl Shift. So pressing those key will reset your graphics driver and also to download this app MemReadout. So once you have entered the MemReadout, just simply press Clean Memory. Yes, it will clean all the memories. Then select the arrow that clean MemReadout. Then choose the standby list. Then press clean memory. Okay. So now you can see the uses of my RAM has become much more less. Here you go, it's using only 2.3. So now just simply turn on your emulator and play the game. I hope the problem will be solved. Thank you for watching the video.